Okay, guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategy. We bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. We're just getting set up. We're bringing up the live streams. We're starting the streams. We're getting them ready to go. And we will take it from there. I'm just going across the line here so that way I can get these people coming in for our stream so that way we can rock out. We're going to talk crypto. We're going to talk much, much more. We're going to do some shout outs. We're going to do all kinds of stuff. We're just basically going to chill. We're going to chat. We're going to rock out and call it a day, man. There's a lot of different news out there. There's a lot of projects that I am working on with them. And it's definitely bullish, guys. So, mad love to you guys. And to the moon. Let me just drop this. Start your week with Jay. YouTube live stream. Crypto news. Oh, I spelled that wrong. That's funny. YouTube. Crypto news. Start your day with live. Okay, so that's live crypto news. I'm just keeping this chart up here. So that way I can go here and share it onto my Twitter so people can see it. And you guys are the best. I love you guys. You guys stop by. You guys rock out with me all the time, and I'm gonna teach you guys. How to learn, earn, and make money in crypto, man. That's our objective here. We want to be able to take some of our best projects and yield farming and much, much more. So I'm going to be doing more videos about yield farming and teaching you guys how to use yield farming properly so that way you guys can make some passive income. So let me get these links out across here. We're linked out all across Twitter right now, which is awesome. And let me just get that set up properly. And okay, the Twitter man. All right, let me get that out of there. That should give me another minus. Okay, 5, and then let me see, latest crypto news. If I do BTC, I can take that out. And if we just do it like that. Okay, that looks cool. The latest and greatest. And then I'll enter it like that. And I will drop it. Okay. Yep, I hear you guys over there in the Telegram chat. I hear you there. Okay, so bada boom, bada bing. I got. Hey. Doing very well. Let me just get my main speakers on. Alright, let me just get this. Just give me 1 second. The speaker wasn't working right for the Telegram group. Let me go over here to this Telegram group and go into here and take it over. Okay, I should be able to hear you now on my other screen.
Yay, I see you.
Yep, now I can hear you. Okay. Alright. Telegram desktop. Okay. Alright. Right now I'm just going through all the different socials and I'm getting our feed running and I'm just having everybody tagging. The regular stuff. Yep.
Right. I'm chilling actually on Twitter. I'm going to tag some of the most most popular crypto guys in here. Trying to get the more attention I can.
Yep. the most information you can. And I'm gonna, I run these feeds, and I teach you guys what I know and when is the good time to buy in and when is the good time to do it. So right now, I'm actually live on YouTube, and I'm gonna be doing a video, and I'm gonna be going through a bunch of stuff.
Let's fucking go, man.
Let's go. All right, that's awesome. So, guys, as you see, today's market, Bitcoin is at 21,200, which is excellent. On the 1 hour chart, let's pop off to our auto. Let's take a look. Let me do my little spread here and show you guys some really cool bullish action. This is on the 1 hour chart on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is tapping that 1 hour and 1 hour 50 EMA as support, and it keeps breaking it. Now that the 200 and the 50 are going flat in this zone right here, okay, what I want to see is a nice break to the upside to the psychological high of the 21.5, because they use whole and half numbers. Let's jump into the overall cryptocurrency market caps. We're going to use coin market cap. Today's market cap is 952 billion. 24-hour volume at 52 billion, which the volume's kind of low. We're going into a new week here. So this is going into Monday, so I'm sure the volume will pick up. And then we're actually going to hop in and see what kind of news we can pull up, and we're going to talk about it. So I got some articles that we're gonna look at that we can talk about here. And the New York Bell opens in about 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. New York open in 15 minutes. I am live on YouTube now, talking crypto, and more. Now let me actually see if I can see if I can watch my chat, because I want to be able to see you guys in the chat watching. Okay. Hey man. So if you guys want to drop any altcoins or anything like that inside the chats, it's awesome. That would really appreciate that. That's really cool. Another thing that's awesome that we can do here is on my profile on Twitter. Okay, we have our tweet here. So we're gonna want to go ahead and smash that tweet. And then we're going to go ahead over here, and I'm going to grab this, and we're going to get this so we can grab some more people in, and we can talk about some lovely, lovely crypto love. All right, let me just get this in here. Okay. All right. All right, we're all set up there. I dropped it across the Telegram links. Our sponsor today, which I'm going to show you real quick, Piggy Inu. We're in the chat. I'm talking, so if you guys want to come to a place where we're live and chilling and rocking, that's a shout out for Piggy Inu. As far as conversation goes, so I can drop that chat, and then I'm also going to be monitoring the chat also through there. Don't forget to stop by my YouTube page, because there's a lot of videos on like how to earn and do passive income. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start doing more passive income videos. Mainly working with BabySwap because BabySwap has an excellent platform and it's just a great way to earn right now. You put your money away and you basically you don't even need to worry about the fluctuations. Because say I put money in the baby BNB and baby USDT, right? And the price did go up and down over the time, but I always ended up with profits in the end. You know what I mean? So this is definitely something that we need to get going on here. Let me just go back to this chart and I want to just drop something here so that way I can get this out there. Let's see, home Twitter, and then it would be, let me go here and tag these tweets for us so that way we get people out there. We get them in, we get them in, we get them in, we get them in. Yeah, I love it. The more the merrier, the more the better. Get everybody in. Get everybody in. Let me come on over here to this one. And let's see. Here we go. Yep. Pump it. Retweet it. Quote tweet it. Look at that. And then let's add a nice, add those to it. And then let's go ahead and drop a bunch of hashtags for our video, and we're gonna take this to the moon, guys. We're gonna talk about news, talk about crypto, talk about pretty much everything. Definitely really cool. So don't forget to go there and smash the like. I'm gonna make that my new pin. Oh yeah, I gotta go to my main account, and I will make that my new pin message. Let me see here. Let me redo this, and I'm gonna make our new video that we're doing right now as the new pin message. And I want to teach you guys a bunch of different stuff. Pin to profile. Okay, so we are pin to profile. We are rocking out. Definitely bullish for the community overall. So don't forget to stop by, smash the like, and tag it and rock out. Okay. Get the whales in the play. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is definitely really cool. We are in the different chats right now. And let's see, where are we at? Okay. All right, guys. So we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 21,000. And Bitcoin's been sitting at this area. Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. Let's go ahead and take a look at the overall 4-hour chart. That's just the sound of my speaker. I didn't charge it overnight, so it's just it beeps when it's catching a charge there. All right, so here's the 4-hour chart. I'm using Trader's Reality Indicator, and as you can see, that's the 50 EMA, and these different boxes are yeah, we got rid of Trader's Reality. Let me go ahead and use something easier for you guys real quick. If I could just show you, let's do, Bollinger Bands. Yeah, let's do the Bollinger Bands. Let's take a look and see how we are tightening in the Bollinger Bands. So usually on a Bollinger Band, I buy, if I'm using the Bollinger Band strategy, I buy when we're below the midline of the Bollinger Band because we'll always have a spike up to the top. So right now it's not really a buying point in the Bollinger Band. These points here would have been buying points, you know. So when you saw it come down to the 20K, you didn't know it was going to drop down to 17. So that's definitely something that we could look at right there. Let's go to other indicators. Let's go to our saved indicators. Okay, and we will we will take the RSI, and you can see the RSI on the 4 hour is more towards the upside. Let's go to the 1 hour and see where we're at. So we're riding mid. Then when you go to the daily RSI, okay, we were oversold pretty much further than any other point, but we did have a nice turn up, which is good because then when you're looking at Bitcoin right here as a whole, and then this is on daily, you can see that we already spent some time at this level, and it's a slow daily move up on candles. So we're going to keep watching that, because if we pull a line and a line here, it's building this little triangle pressure. Are we going to break to the downside back to the 17K, or are we going to come back towards our 31 where we initially dropped from? So that is what we're going to be watching. My opinion is yes, they could come back and recover some of those vector candles. So let me see, Trader Reality. Let me just show you here, Trader Reality. Okay, so we have, that's a vector candle, that's recovered. These are not. So actually, no. I see on the daily us moving slowly back towards the moving average, which is at the 27,000. On the 4 hour, let's see, where are we? We're riding flat on the we're riding flat on the 50 EMA. So we're right here, and that's 4 hour. This is not really accumulation zone. We talked about this in other courses. When we're further away from the 50 EMA on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, that's when I accumulate. And then when we get further away at the top, before we go back down. So then you can, obviously see how these moving averages work. Just stick by, watch, stop by every day, and watch what's going on. Now, let's hop into CNBC. Okay, so let's talk about CNBC. And it is showing Wall Street lays off likely to ahead a 2-year hiring boom turns to boost. Alright, let's see where the S&P is. It's at 390. Uh, let's see. Yeah, so it's bullish, man. It closed up bullish. It's got some bullish momentum coming in today. This can be beneficial for the market as a whole, which I love it. I use my farming and everything like that. I'm going to do a video on complete passive income for you guys, to show you guys exactly the different income streams that you can use to gain yourself, that 150, that $300, $500 extra each month that you can put into your nest egg, or keep investing in DCAing into Bitcoin for your future. Now, if you did this over a 12-month period, imagine doing it over a 60-month period. The price that you built Bitcoin for, 5 years ago is not going to be the same price when you buy it on your last day of your 5-year plan. So, there's definitely some things that are definitely bullish. I've been accumulating. I did start accumulating a lot of Bitcoin in the 40K zone because, I didn't know if we were going to bounce at that level. So what I did is I took some XRP before we pulled down, and I threw it into Bitcoin. and a Bitcoin on the low. So that's why I wanted to accumulate. But my portfolio mainly consists of Bitcoin and XRP and Binance. Binance is, my opinion, in my personal opinion, Binance respects these levels. Of course, with the market dips, perfect time buying BNB. Like I said, on the 4 hour away from there, and then look what happens. You keep doing your DCA, and then boom, we pop it, and then we pop above that 50 EMA, so we're riding it. So I would buy it all the way down, and then my sales that if I would have sold off would have been in profit from here. So buying one BNB at 191, selling it at 238. You know what I mean? So you just got to come up with the different strategies in that regard. Let's go to the 1 hour on Binance and see what we can see. Okay, so right now on the 1 hour, they are being held up. The moving averages are holding up nicely. Psychological low and psychological high are in a tight range right now. We're above the 200, so this is nice. So this is definitely a really cool position for BNB. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. Look at the daily. I like this daily because you see, like what happened is when this crossed, we had all that pressure that caused that downward pressure. Now it's starting to turn up. So I think that we're in for some really nice moves to my nice $350 level of BNB, guys. So definitely cool. XRP awesome. Like we said in our other videos, this was just a pullback because it went to 30 cents because it just followed the market. We accumulated more down at these levels. And guess what? When we hit back at our 40s, oh boy, we are going to be on point and it's going to be awesome. Um, XRP, definitely bullish. It held up at the 30 cent when all the other altcoins were down. It stayed inside its ranges. Coin market cap, Bitcoin. Right now, you can see they're pulling back a little bit. These are the retesting. Okay, let's see as the market opens in 1 minute time. Let's see what the volatility shows on the one as soon as the SPY opens up. Okay, ding 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 ding. SPY opened up. Markets are open. So let's see what we have here. Is there any movement here? Okay, so they have some movement. They have some movement to the upside. They are. Let's go down to the 30 minute and see what's happening as far as this. Let's see what's happening because we did have some movements. It looks like it's a little bit bullish. Let's see, is it affecting Bitcoin at all? Bitcoin is having a little bit of move to the upside back to on the 30 minute back to that 50 EMA. Okay, let's go to the 5 minute on Bitcoin and see. Okay, so on the 5 minute, Bitcoin started to pick up. People started to pick up buys, so they're expecting a bullish day. But the thing is that on the 5 minute, it needs to recover this candle if it ever does. Just like it came back to these points. See these candles? It came back and recovered all those candles. So Bitcoin went up and spiked 21.5 and now it spiked back down to 21.20. So it did need to find its balance there. The red box is New York session. Okay, let's see what's happening with Ethereum. Ethereum did have a stall out at that 800 EMA. The 50 did cross back over the 200, and that's on the 5 minute. So I'm just waiting to see if we can pull on this 5 minute ETH at least up to 1,220. Let's go to the half-hour time frame for Ethereum. Let's move some stuff and see what we can see. So it looks like Ethereum actually doesn't have too much buy pressure, and it's shooting for a lower price of that daily open at 1,198. So be careful with that. I did sell most of my Ethereum bag into Binance, just to be you know, be here with you guys and let you guys know what's going on. So right now, my best investments are Bitcoin. Like I said, anytime I see Bitcoin on the 1 hour and the 4 hour pull below this pink line, that's when I accumulate. Then when we catch spikes like this above those top lines, that's when I would make it my take profit. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much the gist of the way the crypto market goes. So let's see. Coin market cap. We have let's go back. Let's reload, and it should go into trading view, reload, BTC. Now, look at that. What is that? On the 30, BTC did pull back. Look at that. Just like I said, BTC pulled back right to that daily open at 2100. So let's see what happens next. Congratulations on everybody that has taken that short. You know? So we'll keep monitoring it and watching out. We're about to continue to upvote on coin hunters and other platforms so we can get trending websites top pages. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. So, smash the likes. Okay, guys. Yeah. Alright, bro. I'm gonna say crypto news live right now. And then let me get my channel for him. I'm just dropping my channel for this guy. Yeah. Alright, bro. I'm gonna say crypto news live right now. And then okay. Okay, so that's what looks like. That's what they did. They ended up pulling back to that daily open right there. Let's go down to the 5 minute chart. Let's see what's happening right now. Okay, yes, so they did have it, and it looks like they did pull it back down to that daily open at the $2,100 even mark. Definitely a point in so that's what looks the like charts there. Wow. They ended up pulling back to that daily guys. Right there. Let's go down to the 5 minute chart. What a day. I just wanted to get all of this crypto news out to you guys. I just wanted to get everybody up and informed. We're going to do live raids. I'm going to do more how-to videos, more informational videos, and we're going to do some passive income videos. Guys, if you go to my About section, you'll find my email address. And if you want anything to be done, just let me know and we can rock out and do this together. The latest and greatest crypto news and much more. To the moon, guys. We can make anything possible. Mad love. And this is just for you guys. The latest and greatest crypto news and much more.